Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum, just a quick update here. The view that I had that we haven't finished this corrective wave in a wave 2 here in green is currently playing out. I think we have good chances now that indeed we are going in this target area for this small wave 2 in green. We did not break above this descending trend line, and as I told you in the previous video, I have left this count entirely unchanged. It was looking like that wave W was had played out already, the connector wave X already as well, and that we were still heading down in a wave Y, which again is a 3-wave move in itself, going ideally into the region here between 1832 and 1770. Again, we can just double check the Fibonacci levels on which this latest movement was based, and you can see here based on the 38.2% Fib level, which we could find support on in a very bullish environment, or we can even retrace a bit more to $1,800, wouldn't be a problem. Also a retracement to 1767, the 61.8% wouldn't be a problem, so keep an eye on these levels. Now on the other hand, we can also calculate a target for the wave Y based on the equality projection for wave W and Y. So again, an ideal target for a wave Y is the length of wave W. Okay, so we can take that length of the wave W, we add it to the beginning of the wave Y, and you can see 1830 matches the 38.2% Fib level. Yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio at 1830 matches perfectly the 38.2% Fib level. Here you can see beautifully again how those Fib levels work together. And when you have a confluence of factors here, it could really indicate that 1830 will be an important support here for Ethereum, where we can try a reversal to the upside. Again, be careful. A good indication that wave Y is finished would be a breakout above the descending trend line. And probably the best indication you can get as early as possible is a move above the wave X, which is at 1909. Now, okay, if we go below 1830, then of course we have the Fib levels I just showed you, but also here, also in the green area, which is a possible reversal area here for Ethereum. We've got the 1.618 extension, which is at 1778, which is the next ideal target for a wave Y. So both of these targets highly relevant. From here, then I would expect a move up in a wave 3. And I've also highlighted on this chart the overall larger area where I would expect Ethereum to get into. It's not really possible to specify that further due to the complexity of Ethereum's movement. Now it's spanning between $2,050 and $2,460. That is where I would expect Ethereum to get into. Again, two possibilities here. One possibility is that the overall impulsive move of Ethereum is already a finished 5-wave move that we've seen. Already. The 5 waves play out completely, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that we're now just doing an A, B, C, and will come down in this green area down there, which is going to go between 1230 and 1440. That might change a little bit depending on the wave structure, but I'll let you know. And that we are just now doing an overshooting wave B. That overshooting wave B could even go all the way up to $2,200. Yeah, unfortunately, that's how it works out. The other possibility is that the wave 5 wasn't finished yet, and that we are here in the wave 5. In another extended wave pattern, of which we have only just seen the wave 1, the wave 2. We are now in a wave 3, and that would be even more bullish and could really go up all the way up to 2,500 or more. Yeah, and we do not know which scenario is currently playing out. This could, seriously, it could be both. It could be the overshooting wave B scenario or the even more bullish one with an extended wave 5. We don't know. A good indication that the wave 2 to the downside here is started is a move below 1655, that last swing low here, and an even better indication would be a break below 1560, the higher level wave 2. Other than that, we just have to play it by looking at trend lines, looking at the 50-day moving average, looking at momentum. Here at the moment, Ethereum is, in my opinion, still pushing. There is currently, for me, I mean, we are still above the 50-day moving average. If we go below the 50-day moving average, which is the yellow line there, that is also a warning sign that that uptrend is over. But seriously here, Ethereum, you can see it on the daily, we are pushing higher with the MACD as well. We've only just now seen another bullish crossover on the daily. I also cannot see maybe a weak bearish divergence. Yes, there is a bearish divergence, but again, that can carry on for a while, and we're not even in the overbought range on the daily, so it can push a bit higher. That would support further rising prices, but at any point now we have to expect there could be that move down. So for me, riding the trend until the end, yes, that's fine. You're not just selling for the sake of getting out of it, no. But there is definitely much more upside potential, but we're now in a risky space because it could be an overshooting wave B. Yeah, the structure allows it to be an overshooting wave B, which means all the warning signals, all eyes need to be on those key levels here. All right, but yeah, Ethereum at the moment just working out on the lower time frame and the longer time frame as well. The bullish scenario still is 65% probability, which means with a 65% probability, I do not expect another lower low for Ethereum. I expect that the $880 were the low. Still need to give it a 35% probability that it could still happen. But again, you notice that bearish scenario has a lower probability than the one on the Bitcoin chart. All right, and that's my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you like the update, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.